Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are going to be taking a look at an independent oracle deck called the Phoenician Oracle, and I'm really excited because this velvet bag is giving me life. So it comes with 22 cards and a little pamphlet here that gives you all of the information you'll need to use the deck. So I'm really excited because how it looks on the pamphlet, it looks like you could probably use this for a lot of different readings. So I'll just read this little paragraph here so you can kind of get the idea of what we're getting into. The Phoenicians, a loose confederation, largely controlled Mediterranean trade for some 2,000 years. The Phoenicians' alphabet caught on because it could be learned quickly by other peoples, and it was practical for trade. Their system made writing accessible, something that everyone could understand rather than just a small elite. The Phoenician abjad or alphabet began representing symbols but evolved to be 22 letters, each for a sound of the word rather than the word itself. It provided the basis for the Arabic and Hebrew abjads or alphabets. Likewise, it was the mother of the Greek alphabet, which gave birth to the Latin alphabet, which beget the modern alphabet. The Phoenician alphabet is the ancestor of all European and Middle Eastern alphabets, as well as ones in India, Southeast Asia, and Ethiopia. Ooh, I'm excited. So we do have a little chart up at the top, and then we'll go into each of the, we'll pull a card to see the rest of how this works, and there is a possible spread for past, present, and future. So let's get into it. I love this little bag so much. Oh, a little stone chip. Kind of looks like celestite. I could be wrong. Well, that's so sweet. Okay, and here we go. Ooh, the back is really pretty. It reminds me of like the Moroccan tiles or their textiles. I really love this. So pretty. So it is a smaller deck, but it's not always a bad thing when it's something so concise like this. So let's see what it's all about. We've got the letter, we've got what it is, and then the keywords there. What a different deck here. Let's talk about the cardstock real fast. It's not bad. It's not too thin and it's not too thick. It does have a gloss on there, as you can see. I think it's going to shuffle really nicely. And it's a great size. I feel like your typical oracle or generic oracle size. It's really nicely done. Yeah, I feel like you could use this for a lot of different readings, maybe for some confirmation, a daily meditation. I love this. This tile work, that's exactly what I was thinking of with the back of the card. Oh my gosh. And I love the shape of this door. How pretty. Oh, that's gorgeous too. I really like the keywords here too. It's very beginner friendly, very easy to kind of use your intuition with it. I like the mix of different types of pictures on this. This kind of reminds me of the Five of Swords in tarot. Ooh. I just feel like this is such a different type of deck. Like nothing I have ever really come across before. And then this down below looks like it is the actual, I'm going to call it a letter for the alphabet. It's really pretty. Very concise and to the point. And this could also be a great tool as far as flashcards go to learn this alphabet. So not only can you use it as a tool to learn something new, but you can also use it for divination. So this is fantastic. I already want more cards. I think so far that's my only critique, but I know why there are only 22. It's gorgeous. I like this going with the flow. Cute. Oh, tooth. That's a new one that I haven't seen. All right. This back is just stunning. I love it so much. Let's see how it shuffles. Whoop. Not bad. I think for me personally, I would always love more cards just because it would make shuffling a lot easier. And also more cards. But again, like I said, this is not a dig or anything like that. I think it's wonderfully concise and it shuffles just fine. No issues. Let's get a card to read from the guidebook, please. I love this back. Like that's just a stunning, and it like really does set the tone for the entire deck. All right. Oh, and we got the fish card. Okay. So let's just have a peek. It says, I'm not even going to try to pronounce that. Instincts, going with the flow, and smooth transitions. I'm going to try. Sameki. That's probably not the correct word. Okay. Fish. 3rd century AD Roman mosaic panel of the fish from Thuga, Tunisia. The Bardo Museum, Tunis, Tunisia. Oh, okay. So it doesn't really give you like a blurb. It gives you where they procured the imagery. Okay. I don't hate that. Again, I'm always going to be the one that says like, more, give me more. But honestly, this is a very, like I said, concise deck. You can use this for a lot of different things. And again, anybody, whatever your level of divination, you can use this. So definitely check it out if this is something that you're interested in. I'm excited to start using this. I think for me, I would use this more for confirmation, and I would use this for more of a daily pull situation. I'm here for it. I think this is great. Again, flashcards if you want to learn the Phoenician alphabet. And I believe they said that this was their first deck. So for first deck right out the gate, I think phenomenally done for that. So thank you so much, Melia, for offering the chance to have this on the channel and for sharing this with us. I think there's value in this, but again, it might be for a select group of people. But even so, I really enjoyed it. I think it's great. I think it's fun. I think it is a different type of deck that I've not seen before, and I'm here for it. So, as always, let me know what you think down in the comment section below. It's always interesting to hear your guys' thoughts and opinions, just like these are my thoughts and opinions. So, with that being said, thank you so much again to Melia for sending this my way, and thank you guys for watching and spending your time with me. I enjoy and appreciate each and every one of you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.